So the big picture for this lesson is comparing rational numbers. Here are a couple of fractions, 3/5 and 5/9. Well, which one is greater? It's hard to compare because the divisions are different. So really what we need to do here is we need to find a common denominator or a common division. And the lesson really goes through a very nice example of creating visual models for a similar question, and definitely take a look at that. But what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and make common denominators using a mathematical technique. Now the common denominator between 9 and 5, that's actually going to be 45 because there are no common factors with the 5 and the 9. So this first fraction is going to be multiplied by 9 over 9. And the second fraction is going to be multiplied by 5 over 5. So we multiply by something like 9 over 9 or 5 over 5. We're really multiplying by 1, but what we're doing is we're making common denominators so then we can see. So 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 5 is 45. And then 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 9 is 45. So now these have a common denominator. It's very easy to compare. The 27 is greater than the 25, so that's the greater fraction. It's pretty close though. So another way you can compare these guys is by turning them into decimals. So I know that 3/5 is 0.6. But then 5/9 I don't know. I'm going to do that on a calculator real quick. Okay, that is 0.5 repeating, so I'm going to round it to 0.56. So you can see these are pretty close, but this guy on the left is greater. So that's the big picture for this lesson, comparing rational numbers.